To take partial screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra using AI Select in the S Pen, remove the S Pen from your phone or press its button while hovering to open the argument menu. Tap AI Select. Draw your S Pen over area you want to capture. The AI will help you select the content within your drawn area. Once selected, you can adjust the selected area to fit your need. Tap Edit icon to draw something on it with your S Pen before you save it. Tap Clipboard icon to copy the screenshot to your clipboard. Tap Share icon to send it right away. And tap Download icon to save it to your gallery. As the example, we will tap Download icon to save the screenshot to the screenshot album in the gallery app. Given to the function, AI Select with S Pen offers a smart way to capture exactly the part of the screen you want. It's fast, accurate, and allows you to quickly save or share the selected portion with your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.